Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Auto Detailing here in Dallas, Texas. I want to make a video about waterless washing. Waterless washing right now on YouTube has become pretty a big topic that's being talked about. There's a company that's made a new product with a soap, a pump sprayer, a sealant you have to use afterwards. I wanted to highlight this product. I've gone through about 4 bottles of this stuff and I haven't had a chance to talk about it, but I thought it was a good time to talk about it now since waterless washing is kind of a big hit right now on YouTube. This is a product made by MASTERSON'S, their waterless wash and shine. A lot of people believe that this is just relabeled products from chemical guys. I actually had a chance, and it was a really great conversation I had with Greg Masterson. He used to work with chemical guys. Now he's working with his family. Really interesting conversation. I enjoyed it. Really great guy. Greg, thank you so much for your time. He gave me some background on his family. His family's been in the chemical business, not only with auto detailing, but I believe they make industrial cleaning chemicals for some other industries as well. So really interesting. I enjoyed the conversation, but I wanted to clear the air. A lot of times when people see a Masterson's product, Greg is working with his family, they're like, it's chemical guys. This product right here is very unique as far as a waterless wash is concerned. It has the ability to kind of cling to the paint. It's got a lot of lubrication, very easy to remove any surface dirt, light dust, whatever you might be comfortable removing from your car during a waterless wash process. This product is also exceptional in so many different ways. It's great on glass. I'll talk about that in a minute. It can be used in the interior. I actually told Greg on the phone, I said, if I could give an award to one particular product, like an Emmy for an auto detailing product, this would be one of them on the list. This is a really great product. I love working with it. It's a lot of fun. I'll show you how this works. So I'm going to spray this on the panel. Again, it has the ability to kind of cling. Can you guys see me? I know the lighting's not that great, but when you spray this on the paint, and you kind of spray it to your level of satisfaction, depending on how much dirt you have, what you're comfortable doing. It's sitting there clinging on the paint. That's really cool. I'm going to take a dedicated microfiber towel that I'm comfortable using in the moment to remove this light dust. You want to go across the panel and pick up that dirt and dust and get it trapped in your microfiber. Maybe you want to move to another side of the microfiber. Whatever you're comfortable with, it's your car. It's a waterless wash. Go in, keep wiping down the panel, and remove the dirt from that area. Now, what's really cool about this product, let me just get the rest of this stuff up. What's really cool about this product, what you want to do after using it, you want to buff it out. What's really awesome is there's a sealant within this product that is very hard to, I can explain it, but having you guys feel it when it's actually done its thing is quite incredible, and I love it. So I'll go in here, just lightly buff this paint. And right now this surface is incredibly slick. There was no protection on this door whatsoever, but there's a nice sealant it leaves behind. How long does it last? I don't know, maybe a week or two depending on how you use your vehicle. This stuff is exceptional on glass. I'll show it to you in a minute, and I've been using it for my clients, and a lot of my clients have come outside and said, Scott, did you polish my windows on a basic detail? Yes, I'm going to clean them, right? I can use this stuff as a glass cleaner if it's light to moderate dust and dirt on the cleaner, and then it kind of leaves like a really nice glow, wet look to the glass, which is amazing. You can also use it in the interior. You can use it on plastics, vinyl, leather. It's not going to hurt anything. Folks, there's a company right now that's selling a concentration of soap. Then you got to buy a special pump sprayer. Then you got to apply a sealant after. It seems to me like waterless washes are getting even more complicated than they really need to be and overly expensive. Here's an idea. If you're buying a pump sprayer, why don't you just get a dedicated pump sprayer that has some pressure to it, rinse off the panel, and get a lot of that dirt off before you even go in and use your favorite waterless wash or soap or something like that. My head spins sometimes with the amount of products that are out there, how complicated the process becomes, but more importantly, how expensive it becomes. You know, I made a video like a year ago about Armor All Ultrasign Spray Wash, which leaves a foam on the panel, and people laughed at me. Now there's a company out there making a product that foams up. You got to buy a soap, you got to buy a pump sprayer, you got to buy special towels, you got to buy a sealant to put behind. I'm sorry, but Armor All kind of beat you to the punch a little bit. I'm teasing, but sometimes we just have to see the bigger picture. Do what you guys want. I honor that. I respect it. I just wanted to have a little fun in the moment. Let me bring the camera up here, guys. Hold on a second. I'm so sorry. Bring you back down. I'm going to do my glass. My glass isn't overly dirty. I got light dust on it. Hopefully the camera will pick it up. What's great about the MASTERSON'S Waterless Wash and Shine, when I spray it on this glass, it'll kind of stick and cling to the glass. Is it showing up on the camera? Ah, my lighting's horrible today. Sorry, guys. But it's clinging to the glass. It's not running down onto the vehicle. That's cool. I'm going to go in here and just lightly massage it into the paint. Pick up the dust, the dirt that might be on that glass, right? The next beautiful part is I'll turn over to a dry side of the microfiber and just buff out this glass. Buff that sealant that's in MASTERSON'S Wash and Shine. And folks, this is really an amazing product because I'm using it so many different ways all the way around the vehicle, and I love what it does to glass. The glass is very slick right now, very slick to touch as I leave my dirty fingerprint on it. But it leaves the glass with like a glowy, warm look. I've had so many customers come out and say, Scott, did you polish the window? No, you just got a basic detail. But I love this final finish on glass with MASTERSON'S Wash and Shine. Folks, really great product. You can also dilute this to your comfort level. Maybe 1-to-1, 2-to-1, you decide. Also, I believe MASTERSON'S, they typically sell this in a 16-ounce bottle. I think they're coming out with 1-gallon bottles. When it comes out by the 1 gallon, I'm getting it. I love it. I use it. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. Really simple process to waterless washing. Cleans the dirt, clings to the panel, and it leaves a nice little sealant behind. How long it lasts depends on the environment your car is in. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Really great product. Greg, thank you so much for spending the time to speak to me. I did not ask for the product. He didn't send it to me. I bought this stuff. I bought 4 bottles off Amazon months ago. I'm down to, this is my last bottle. But I just wanted to share that with you. How cool is it? It's not a complicated process. Yes, it's one of the most riskiest washes out there, but it doesn't really have to be overthought. You don't have to spend an ungodly amount of money, have special products, special pumps. There's just easier ways to do it. You guys do what's best for you, but I just figured I'd share that with you. Love you all.